got another mystery bag unbagging or unboxing for you today. And today we're going to be unbagging the Fakebake mystery £20 bag. So I paid £20 for this bag, and if I remember rightly, I didn't get charged any postage either, so that was good. I've never tried Fakebake brand. I don't even know if this is a good brand. It's another one of them Instagram adverts that came across, and I just was like, ooh, a mystery bag. So I bought it, not that I need any more for Tanner, but supposedly this bag has got £100 worth of stuff. It seems to be the running theme. £20 bags seem to have £100 worth of stuff in. So I'm going to unbag it with you and see what we've got in here. So the first thing is this Beyond Bronze by Fakebake. Everything's Fakebake. Self Tan Lotion. So granted, I think a lot of this is going to be fake tan. It says this is a, I wonder if it's like a wash off one. It says, go beyond bronze with the highest quality ingredients in our new paint and pendant technology that promotes a beautiful, dark, long-lasting tan. Our rich brown colour again ensures a smooth, streak-free application. Exfoliate with body polish before first application to remove dead skin cells and improve absorption and efficiency of our self-tan lotion. And then just say, right, let's have a look. Exfoliate before use. Use small amounts, rub in circular motions. Lightly glaze over hands and feet and bend elbows and knees when applying. Allow to dry before going to bed. A small amount of colour guide may rinse off when showering in the morning. So yeah, I think you leave it on for so many days, so many hours, and then you wash it off. So it's like a proper actual self tan. It's not like a wash off tan. Right, so next we've got something here. This is in a big box here, and this says it's Skin Deluxe Luster Lotion Radiance Revealing Tonic. So this is different. So this is a jar in a black bottle, and I honestly don't know what this says. It says soak a cotton pad with this lotion and swipe over face and neck after cleansing to balance, condition and soften and to prepare skin for Skin Deluxe Prime Time Moisturizer. Use daily as part of your skin regime. So I think this is a toner. Yeah, I think that's a toner. No, that wasn't something I was expecting. Yeah, I think that's a toner. So that's something different. Right, and then we've got something else from this Skin Deluxe Time, and it's the actual moisturizer to go with it. So this is the Prime Time Age Defying Moisturizer. So basically you're getting a toner and a moisturizer. Yeah, it's like in a little black bottle in a pump. Oh, I was thinking you'd just get all fake tan products, so that's quite bonus, like something different. I don't know what the price ranges of these items for. I don't know if they're pricey or anything like that, but this is meant to be £100 worth of stuff. And then you've got the Skin Deluxe No Needles Fine Line Eraser. So I'm assuming this is like an eye cream. It says apply a small amount morning and night to crow's feet, deep lip lines and forehead wrinkles. Also, it's like actual for your wrinkles. I'm trying to get into it. There it is there. Just the same sort of packaging. So it's like totally, I've never heard of this. Have you heard of this? I've never heard of it. It's totally different to me. I honestly have not heard of that. We're still going. So how many products we've gotten now? Now we've gotten 3, 4. Alright, 4, yeah. So next we've got this Scream and Pouch Shine On Lip Gloss. Ooh. So oh, that's like a really nice like bronzy shade. You see, I don't really want to open it, and just in case I decide not to keep it, like I mean like swatch it or anything, no. And then last but not least is an absolutely gorgeous nail polish. That is so pretty. I'm going to put it on my thumb. that is it there. I'm going to put it on my thumb for you because I'm going to do my nails later because they haven't got no gel polish on. So I'm actually going to put this on my thumb to show you. That is it on my thumb. I mean, it's been badly applied. I haven't put it all the way down the cuticle or anything like that. So that is it on my thumb. So yeah, that's quite nice. Like, that's really nice. Really nice. All the products that you got, and they all come in the Fakebake bag and all, if say you wanted to gift them. They Scream and Pouch Shine On Metallic Nail Polish. You've got the Face Tonic, which is a toner from the Rightly and Skin Loving. So this must be part of their, like, they must make their skin brand. The Rightly and Skin Loving face moisturizer. So you're going to toner and moisturizer, and then an anti-wrinkle like serum sort of cream thing. And then you're getting their Fakebake tan. So you actually are getting their Fakebake tan and all. It's Beyond Bronze by Fakebake. And then you're getting the Scream and Pout Shine On lip gloss. I'm really excited about this. I feel like this was a really good mix. I thought it was all going to be fake tan. I was really shocked, like, that they weren't all fake tan. I did really think it was going to be all fake tan, but I'm happy that it's not because I didn't need any more. Yeah, so I'm happy with this. I really think, I thought it was all going to be fake tan, but no, it wasn't all fake tan. So I'm really happy with this. I thought this was really good. Yeah, a good variety. I definitely would get another one of these again. Maybe wait a while, see if it's mixed up. Like, mix up, because sometimes if you get too many mystery bags and things like that, I feel like they can be the same things over again. But no, I'm really happy with that. I feel like I definitely got my £20 worth. I honestly don't know the prices of these products, so I don't know like whether I got £100 worth, but just go on average, say between £5 and £10 in items. So we'll say 10 to be generous. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So maybe, I don't know, it really depends on what the prices are of these items, but I feel like I definitely got my £20 worth. I'm really happy with this. Really happy, and I'm excited about trying this tan. I'm excited about trying everything, to be honest. Yeah, I'm happy with this. If you like these type of videos, I've done a few mystery bags now. I'm really getting into mystery bags. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's just something with everything that's going on, just like a way of cheering myself up or something. I don't know, but I've always loved mystery bags. Can you remember when Claire's Accessories used to do them big white bags, you used to pay £10 or £20 for? And they used to have loads of their like old stock in them. I used to get them all the time when I was younger. Yeah, so I've always liked mystery bags. So these are like older versions of mystery bags. But anyways, if you like these type of videos, please subscribe down below if you haven't already. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.